In this video, I'll show you how to set the time on your G-Shock GBD-200. There's two different ways how this can be done. One way is through the watch menus, and the second way is using your smartphone that you connect using the G-Shock Move app. In my opinion, it's much more easier to do it using the app. But first, let me show you how to do it using your watch alone, and then if you want, you can keep watching and I'll show you how to do it using the app. That is much faster, as I said. So step number one is to press this top left button over here during 2 seconds until a menu appears on the screen. Let's do it. 1, 2. Then release that button. To navigate through this menu, you see there's an arrow on top. To move it, use the left side's button to go up and down. To select, you need to press the start button, the top right corner here. First thing, go into home time and press the start button. You have CT and DTS. DTS stands for daytime saving settings. Press start, and here you have to select your time zone. To navigate through all these time zones, use the left and right button to go down in this list until you find yours. Once you find yours, make sure that the small triangle is beside the city that represents your time zone, and press the top right corner button. Then tap the lower left side button once to select DST, start. And here you can leave it to auto, turn it completely off, or force it to be on. Once you made your choice, you can go back at all time using the right side lower button here. Press on it once more. Then we need to select time adjust. You just have to press on the left side the lower button once. And then press the start button over here on the right side top button to select it. To set the time, you have two choices: Bluetooth or manual. And I guess that if you clicked on my video, it's because you want to set the time manually. So let's go ahead and select manual by pressing over here on the left side lower button, and then on the start button to select this. Now it's time to edit the time and the date. The first thing we need to edit is the hour. You see there's an underline under the number 1 over here, which is the hour. To change this number, press the left side up or down button. Next, press the start button, and now the minutes are selected. Do the same thing, press these buttons to edit the minutes. Press on the start button again, time to edit the year. If you press start, you're gonna have over here the month, and unfortunately on this G-Shock watch, you cannot change the way the date is displayed. This is the American style, which is year, month, day, and you cannot switch to year, day, month. Once you edit the month, press start, edit the day, and then once you press start once more, it will ask you if you want to save those changes. You can also select no if, let's say, you change your mind for any reasons, or you can select return to go back and continue editing the date and time. In my case, I don't want to change these, so I'll press no, but in your case, I guess you're gonna select yes. Press start to select one of these. And then we have 24 hours. If we go down there by pressing the lower left side button here and then start, you can choose how do you want the time to be displayed. It's really up to you. And by the way, every time you change any settings, you have a preview down below here how it will look. So right now I have P for PM 1:57, but if I choose the second one, 24 hours, and press start, it will switch and it will be 13:57. Again, it's just a preference kind of thing. I prefer leaving it to this way. So right now the time is changed, and you just have to press this lower right side button a few times to get on the home screen and start using your watch. Now let me show you how easy it is to change what I just showed you using the app over here. So first you have to connect the watch to your G-Shock Move app on your iPhone or Android, and I have a separate video on how to do it. Honestly, it only takes 2 minutes. I'll try to put a link in the description to that video if you want to go ahead. Once you connected your watch, press and launch the app. You need to go over here on the lower right side where it says More. Select Watch, here, Watch. And then in this menu, you should see Time Display here. And here you can modify exactly what we just did on the watch itself. So you have over here the time zone. You have the daytime saving. Here it's wartime, summertime. It's the same thing really. Time display 12 or 24 hours. And unfortunately on this app you cannot set the time manually, but what you can do is to go down in this menu and select time zone data here and click on acquire updated time zone data. Click on this and now it will sync with your watch. This is what it says here. Time zone data will be automatically sent to your watch. Press OK and your watch time will be updated depending on which time zone you have selected previously on the app. The date and time will be updated when you click on this. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if this was useful, and I'll see you in the next video.